Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sheyi Dairo. So today in this video now I want to show you guys how you can buy things from WeChat. We've talked about how you can do many things from Chinese e-commerce sites. Many things I've trained you about in this my YouTube channel about Chinese e-commerce site. But today now I want to talk about how you can buy things from WeChat and import to your own country. How you can buy things from WeChat, anything you want to buy. Like using WeChat, like you don't need to struggle logging this, logging that, or whatever. Just directly from your WeChat, buy things, whatever things you want to buy those things and import to your country. Fine, you don't have WeChat, or maybe you have been struggling with WeChat sign up. Honestly, I've done many things, but yet you don't have the account, or you have accounts, but they will block the account or ban the accounts, or you have problems. Let me just say general problem with WeChat. I can help you to solve your problem. All you have to do is just check description to this video to connect with me on WhatsApp. Then mind you, it's not free. Don't come here and chat with me if you are coming for free knowledge or free service. Don't even try to do that to even connect with me. It's not free. You are going to pay for my service. I will help you to get your WeChat or anything that has to do with WeChat. One of the problem people have with WeChat is that you sign up and they ban the account or they block the account. So anything related problem you may have with your account, I can help you solve your problem. My own is guaranteed for you to get WeChat. I've heard many people today that they have connected with their friends or family or relative in China, but yet they could not help them. But by connecting with me, I thank God that I was able to help many of them out. So you can also try your best and let's see how it can help you out. But don't try and come to my DM if you are coming for free knowledge. Don't even try that. So I want to give you guys video guide on how to buy things from WeChat and import to your various countries with ease without disturbing yourself. With some of these e-commerce sites, it's just another technique to give you today. So before we go, if you're very new to my YouTube channel, just seeing this channel for the very first time here, I've helped people with many things here in my YouTube channel. You can just check through, and for you to benefit more on my service here or my service here, for you to benefit more. If you're very new to this YouTube channel, do not hesitate to subscribe to my channel and turn up the notification bell select or give me a like on this video. Comment, let me know what you feel about this video and share this video to your loved ones. Then before we go to the business of the day, check the description to this video to connect with me on social media like TikTok, Facebook channel. Facebook page, groups. I have a lot of groups, so you can connect with me on this video's channel, social media, by checking this description to this video where you will see link to some of this my channel. And if you want to enroll for my training like e-commerce training or how to run Facebook and how to run Facebook, Instagram advertisement and many things like that, just check the description to this video to connect with me on WhatsApp. If you want full training on e-commerce or whatever, connect with me. If you want to buy yuan, I'm a money exchanger. You can also connect with me. Anything you need for general inquiry, you can just check the description to this video to connect with me on WhatsApp. So I appreciate you guys for being my subscriber and helping this channel to move further, to grow. Alright, let's go to the business of the day. I'll show you guys video training on how to buy things and import from WeChat. Thank you. Let's go.
So if you have your WeChat ready, for those that have their WeChat already, so what you would do, as you see now, this is a chat button. You know, here in WeChat you have 1 2 3 4 button here, right? So I will start from the first one. You see, this is a chat, right? Now what you have to do is to come here and click on this contact. Click on contacts here. When you click on contacts, as you see, I have many WeChat contacts. When you have your WeChat, this will synchronize and automatically show list of your contacts, people in your the contact on your phone that have WeChat accounts. You're able to see them all here, right? Then I have many suppliers contacts on my phone already, and I have many logistic contacts on my phone. So and most of them that are using WeChat, it should display here. It's just people that have WeChat account that you're able to see here, right? If you don't have, you may have a bit challenge here now. If you don't have suppliers contact, you may have a challenge here because you may not able to see any of them here and your contact. So if you don't have, just get in touch with me. I will send you contacts, how you can get those contacts. I will help you do that. Just any contact you want, any legit suppliers contact you want, that'll help you. You get as many as possible on your phone. So just like this now, I have many contacts. Look at, I have many contacts. So what you would do now is the first thing is, look at this one here. This is bag supplier here. So I want to click one of my contacts here. Look at this person now. Then the next thing to do when you click on the contacts is to click on this moment. See moment now, just click on anything here, just moment, anywhere around here, just moment, click on it here. So I'll click it now. When click, you'll see the display now, see different display here of what this person is selling. So I can click on any one of these. For instance, this one, I can click on any one of these. Then next is if you want to comment, you may click here to comment on this. You may come here, click here to comment. When you click on this place, so you're able to comment on anything you want or whatever. So but let me go back. So what you would do now to come here and click on this 3 dotted line here. When you click on this, you will see save image, search, and what else? Add to favorite, search, save image, send to contact. Now what you do is to send this to your contact. Click on send to contact, and if you like, you can save this. But before we send to contact, I want us to do something. You can search for you can click here to search for related supply of this kind product again. So what you will do now is to save this picture, and when saved, okay, you can save the picture, or if you have been chatting with the person before, you can just click on send to chat. So this will lead to the chat where you were able to send. Let me show you the chat here. It will come here now. So maybe people you have been chatting with before. So let me go back. All right, I think that is one. Okay, this one here now, and I told you that you click the moment. When clicked, you will click on any of those things you want. So anyone that you have interest to buy, you will save it. Click on save. All right, saved. So what you would do now is to come back here and message this person, send message. So when you send message, then message now, you will now tap here to send picture. Tap on this plus. When tap on plus, you will send the picture of what you want to buy, and discussion will continue from there. Anything you want to say, it's very easier because most of us we use this opportunity to chat with our supplier to seek for discounts and many things like that. And you will send your logistic address to them here. They will send your goods to your logistic. You make payments, right? But WeChat here now, ask them to give you their WeChat account. That is WeChat account to receive payment. So if you cannot make payment directly with your WeChat, because not everyone can make payment with WeChat. If you cannot make payment with WeChat, ask them for their Alipay account details. Ask them for their Alipay account details. They will send you the Alipay account details, and you're able to make payments through Alipay. If you don't know how to do this, or you don't have a verified Alipay account, you can just get in touch with me. I'm a money exchange. I will help you to pay your supplier. So this is one out of all. The next is this. Look at this one now. You see discover here. Now click on this discover. When click on discover, you will see moment. This moment. Now click on moments again. Now click on it. When clicked, you will see different updates, adverts of people you have their contacts on your phone. You see different adverts they are running here now. So anyone that you have interest, you get in touch with them that you want to buy this or that. Then another one is to click on this scan. You see this scan? So you click on scan, and do, we call it a product research on anything you want to buy. So you upload it and search for that thing, particular thing. You will see where this thing is available to get it from. So this is the information I have for you. And before we go, if you want to connect with me on WeChat, let me quickly show you my WeChat, where my WeChat barcode. You can scan it and connect with me on WeChat. All right, so this is my WeChat QR code. You can just scan this to send me friend request on WeChat. Then from there, we can continue sharing benefit with each other. So I love you so much, guys. If you're new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe, turn up the bell, subscribe here, turn up the bell here, and give me a like on this video. Then leave your comments. I love you so much, guys. Bye.